What's up, guys? I got another pair of boots to check out in this video. This time I got a pair of Red Wings, direct from the Red Wings brand of America factory in Minnesota. And here is the box. The classic heritage Red Wings shoes box, and these were purchased through Nordstrom's in September 2019 for a really good price. And these are the Red Wings shoes 3343s, which are the Blacksmiths in copper. The copper leather. So the story behind these, I wouldn't have purchased these if they weren't a good price. I saw on a deal page called Slickdeals. If you guys have shop around, you might know about Slickdeals. This popped up on my alerts for boots, or just for Red Wing shoes on Slickdeals. And it was a really good price. It might have been a price mistake on Nordstrom's part, on their website pricing, but I jumped and I got them because these were only priced at $161, which I think is almost half the retail price. These are $299.99 retail through Red Wings shoes on their website. And all you Red Wings guys know that Red Wings hardly ever go on sale. Right now, actually, they're having a $30 off thing, but that's about it. That's about taxes on these here in California. That covers the tax. So yeah, I got these for $161 plus tax, and I believe I got free shipping on these. And these were drop shipped directly from Red Wings factory in out in Minnesota. So these have never been worn. Let's see who inspected these. They got the inspection tag in here, and Mary 000341 did her job and inspected these for me. And there's another one. Did somebody else? No. Okay. Well, these are beautiful rough and tough copper leather, as you can see. And they're Blacksmiths, round toes. Love the round toes, love the mock toes, love all of them. Yeah, Blacksmith. So, these weren't really on my radar, but at that price, you cannot say no. And these have wax laces, which is pretty cool. I think I might even add the wax laces in that pair of 1907s I restored. Yeah, those laces have never ever been tied. I've had these sitting around since I received them in last September, a year ago now. So I'm assuming that Nordstrom lost some money on these, because quite a bit of people got them, and they didn't come from Nordstrom's. They were shipped from Red Wings at $161. $161. I mean, you can't beat that price for a quality pair of boots. Look at that. This kind of leather, this kind of workmanship, made in America for $161. Got the lug Vibram bottoms, oil resisting bottoms. Very cool. Get that inside. Oh god, that footbed looks so nice. 3343s. These were actually been sitting around the factory for a while then. These are 2019. So March 2019, a year before all the lockdown and COVID stuff here in America. So there you go. Some great looking Red Wing shoes. Another pair of rough and tough copper boots for me. So now I have a good amount to choose from, and maybe I'll need some rough and tough copper, I don't know, maybe some cap toes, maybe rough and tough Iron Rangers for me is next. But I already have the bittersweet J. Crew exclusive bittersweets. Let's go check those out. So here are the bittersweet chocolates from J. Crew. They're kind of close to the rough and tough copper, but a little darker. These are called bittersweet chocolate. These are 4584s. So, and these actually have the older bottoms, the oil resistant, I don't know how to call that, but the slicker bottoms, I guess. And here are my Iron Rangers with the new lug bottoms. Basically the same, just these were the ones in my previous video that just got resold, and you just don't get they just don't have the Red Wing shoes logo on the bottom of these. But basically I got these done for $85 at a local shoe repair shop, if you saw my previous video. And then these are the nitrile cork old bottoms. Love these too. So I don't know, maybe I just have too many Red Wing boots already in the collection. And I got some chukkas, so I'm pretty good on shoes for now. Maybe I'll go back to Nikes and get some Jordans or Kobe's or whatnot. But yeah, those are my brand new, sitting around for a while, Blacksmith pairs of boots that I got for a good deal. If you guys go to the Slickdeals site, you can set alerts on pricing, and when something hits, there's always something going on. And if somebody puts a price for a pair of shoes up or Red Wings and you set the alert for it, you'll get like an email from them, and that's what happened with me. So you might want to check that out, guys, and you might be lucky and grab a pair of, I don't know if these were on clearance or whatnot, why 161, but if they were on clearance, why'd they come from the Red Wings factory? And Red Wings factory still makes these, so yeah, 161 for this pair of boots. And I know a good amount of people were able to get it, and they tried to cancel orders, but a lot of people fought, so I'm pretty sure that Red Wing or Nordstrom's lost a lot of money, a couple hundred on each pair, or $100 on each pair that was sold, at least $100 last year, around this time in September 2019, because of Slickdeals and just the word of mouth. Alright guys, that's the video. Hope you like the boots. Comment, like, do all that good stuff. Subscribe, please. Let's try to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. I'll keep posting videos for you guys, cooking, shoes, whatnot, cameras. Yeah, and I just got some regular leather laces on these. They do the job with these speed hooks, so pretty cool. So yeah. Alright guys, that's the video. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.